Quick reading for May the 9th to May the 10th, Aquarius. Your cards are the Strength card, the Hermit, and the Ten of Pentacles. Napapansin natin dito na unti-unting nagkakaroon na ng communication. Unti-unti dahil hindi ito face-to-face communication. Pwedeng ito ay messenger, texts. Meron din kasi ditong mga realization na si person na sa tagal ba naman ng haba ng panahon na hindi natin nag-uusap. I think it's time, no? Meron kasing ditong Ten of Pentacles. I feel like meron ditong ibibigay na regalo, whether this is tangible, yung talagang nakikita, nabibili. Intangible, it could be the communication per se. Nagkaroon kayo dito ng parang mind games kayo ni person, no? Sino ba yung mauunang mag-reach out? So, pride is here, yes. Lahat naman ng tao may pride. Ngayon kasi, mas hindi niya kinaya, no? Yung sa'yo, yung pride mo. And I feel like that is a good move kasi parang si person ngayon ang mag-reach out at mag-a-approach sa'yo. This is your quick reading for May the 19th to the 20th, Aquarius.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye.